Good morning, children, and once more, welcome to your social science class. Children, as you know, that just now we are studying one chapter from your history book, and the chapter is The Making of a Global World. Already, 2-3 topics of this chapter we have covered. And children, the topic which I am going to start today, the topic is conquest, disease, and trade. So, what we are going to study in this topic, we will see that how America was discovered, how Europe was affected by the discovery of America, and what European people did when they got to know about America. So let me start this topic, children. So discovery of America was a very big event. And why it was a big event? Because it coincided with the industrialization which was taking place in England. As you know, England was the first country where the industrialization took place first of all. Large scale industries were set up in England, and because of setting up of industries, thousands of people who were living in villages, they came to the cities where the industry was set up or where the industries were set up, and they started working. So with the coming of people from the villages, automatically the population in the cities increased, and with the increase in the population, the problems also increased. The people were facing housing problem, the people were facing sanitation problem, many disease were spreading in the locality where the people were settled in large number. So all these things, all these you can say problems the people were facing in England. And not only in England, the same situation was at many places all over the Europe. And same time, the discovery of America was also discovered the same time. So people who were facing so many problems in England and rest of Europe, when they got to know about America, when they got to know that America, the new place, the place which was discovered, area wise is very big, very large, and it is full of resources and minerals, and a large part of America was covered in forest. So when they got to know about all these things, they decided to leave Europe where they were facing so many problems already. So they decided to leave Europe and to move and settle in America. So people in large number, they started migrating from Europe to America. But they had to face some problem because that time America was already inhabited. Inhabited means some people were already living in America and they were the local people of America. You can say native people of America. They were already living there. So these Europeans who were going to America, they had to face very stiff resistance from the native people of America. But these Europeans, they did not fight any real war with the native people of America. Instead, they adopted a very new method which was never known to the world before. And what was that new method? These Europeans, they spread one virus. That virus was of smallpox, and the native people of America, they had no knowledge of any vaccine or any medicine which could enable them to fight against this kind of virus. So these American people, because of this virus of smallpox, they died in large number. They were decimated, and the Europeans very easily were able to settle in America. And as they settled in America, lot of construction work started there, cutting down of forest and all other things which are required for the development of an area started. And beside that, why people migrated from Europe to America in large number, there is one more reason to it, and that was a rumor which was spread. That rumor was that a city which is made up of gold, and that city was known as El Dorado. Many people, they spread this rumor that the city of gold, that El Dorado, is in America only. So, lot of people from Europe in search of that golden city, El Dorado, they migrated from Europe and they went to America. So, children, in this video we saw that how America was discovered and what was the impact of this discovery on the European continent. So, it is enough for today, and rest of the things related to this topic I will tell you in my next video. Thank you, children.